the gospel begins by calling 72 other disciples. How God is using us. Kailangan niya tayo sa pagpalaganap ng mabuting balita. Kaya naman niya mag-isa yun pero kinuha niya tayo kasangkapan para tumulong. Tayong lahat, no? Tayong lahat to help in the bountiful, no, hiktik na pwedeng anihin, no? Inaanyayahan tayo to help in the harvest. He's asking all of us to do so. And then He tells us how to do this, no? How to help in the harvest. He calls each and everyone. He calls us and gives us instructions, no? How to be missionaries, how to spread the good news in whatever way, no? To depend on Him, not to depend on the resources we have. Anong bit ko, anong dala-dala ko, ang protection ko, sabi niya to travel light, very, very simple. Because we will be sent like lambs among wolves. Simple, katulad ng mga tupa, no? Depending on God's providence, not depending on our own, not depending on anong meron tayong kakayahan, but depending on God's providence. God is in charge, ang bahala. Lastly, it is very important to note how He said He will send us like lambs. Lambs, peaceful lambs. In this world where there is so much war, isipin nyo yung bombahan, no? Kaya nakakatakot, talaga nakapakaseryoso. Every missile, every bullet, imagine na ginagastos. Ilang daan, no? Na missile ang lumilipad, no? Pinapalipad kunyari ng Israel o ng Lebanon, no? Bawat missile, gaano halaking pera ang ginagastos, no? May missile, tapos may counter-missile, no? Anti-missile, para hindi makarating yung missile, no? Imagine how much budget is put on these weapons. Bawat bala, imbes na gamitin for world hunger, for food, for example, imagine how much is spent for defense, how much is spent for the military. Imagine if only the lambs and not the wolves will take over. What a beautiful world. What a beautiful world. But in our own small world, whatever world that is, we're all asked to set the good news, to share the good news, to be missionaries, to be lambs. Not to spread war, but to be at peace, to be instruments of peace, to be peacemakers in this ongoing conflict in different parts of the world, in our very own, in the West Philippine Sea, in Ukraine, in the Middle East. We pray, we pray that we may be instruments of peace. Si Saint Therese, naging patron of missions, kahit na hindi siya lumabas sa kanyang kumbento, in the confines of the cloister. Pero sa kanyang tulong, nakapagpalaganap siya, naging patron ng mga misyonero, patron of missions in the four walls of her convent. We too are asked to be instruments of peace. How? God works in many mysterious ways. Let us do our own share to be like lambs among wolves in sharing the mission of God. We ask Our Lady, this month of the Rosary especially, we turn to her to help us in praying for peace, to be like lambs among wolves.